Okay guys, so I'm going to show you now how to purchase the Toon token. Okay, phenomenal concept, great project, great management team. Let's go. So we're going to need a few things. We need the Phantom Wallet. Okay, so Phantom Wallet you can get from the App Store. Just come on here, click on search and type in Phantom Wallet. Okay, so there it is, Phantom Wallet. See here, Phantom Wallet in the middle there. That's what you need. Okay, so let's open Phantom Wallet. Okay, and you're going to need Solana. Okay, now if you've got, I don't know, Exodus, any other wallet, swap your Bitcoin or crypto into Solana, send it over to here. I started with $10,000 worth, and I'll show you that in my account in a minute. It's up to you what you start with. I think the minimum is $1. Okay, so again, the returns are going to be very small. $1, well, they're going to be the same returns because the percentage return is always going to be the same. So we're looking at a company have been talking about 100x, a 400x, even 1000x. That's what they believe they can achieve with this Toon token. So let's hope so, guys. All right, so log into we've got the Phantom Wallet. Okay, we're going to log into our Toon site. Okay, so obviously get back to the person who shared the video with you, this presentation, or whoever shared the opportunity with you. And you can see here, okay, I'll just show you the bit of the back office. So there, I've got 287,624,989 Toon tokens. Okay, and it's also got referral opportunity with it. You don't have to, you don't want to. Obviously, if you do, you'll earn more. There's your link there, so you just copy and paste that, send it. You see some people have purchased here and some of my referrals haven't. Got one page of 63 pages there. Very early days. Anyway, we're going to go to literally buy token. Okay, buy token. Okay, and it says here you can choose, obviously, choose the currency and calculate. Okay, so you just type in there how many you want. So, I don't know, let's just type in 16 sols worth, okay? 16 sols worth, and that's what we do here, okay? Now, at the moment, okay, the sale hasn't started just as I'm recording this, but you will get a link here where you click on buy, okay? And then it will give you the link of where to send the funds to, okay? So then all you do, so you copy and paste the link, okay, that the company give you, okay, once it goes on sale, and then you log into your Phantom. Okay, now, first thing first, before you do that, before you make a purchase, make sure that you give them your Solana address, okay? It will say this on the dash when you go in there. So first, before you send anything, you click on receive. This is your own, okay, this is mine. Click on copy. You'll come back here. This is before you've bought the token, and it'll say add your Solana wallet address. Okay, so do that, save it, and then you're good to buy. And then literally back into your Phantom wallet. Okay, and you click in. Obviously, you're going to be sending. Okay, so you can allow paste. Okay, obviously I don't allow it this time. You type in, you just paste it in, click on next, and so forth. Okay, and you know how to use crypto. Send it to the to your Toon. Okay, now once it's in the Toon, okay, there'll be another link here underneath here somewhere, and it'll say add your receiving address. This is your Solana receiving address. So again, add that address as well. Okay, just confirm it, and it'll go through a lot quicker. Okay, just so you're aware of that. Okay, that's it. Basically, give it. I mean, the company say give it up to 6 hours. Generally, doesn't take that long. Literally, could be an hour or two. I think it was within an hour when I purchased. So again, at the moment. They're updating the site, okay, and it'll start in the next 60 hours. So watch the Telegram group. Just scroll right down to the bottom here, and you've got the Telegram group here and the Twitter there, okay, so you can do that. That's it, guys. Very simple, very easy. We're excited. We believe this can go to $1 billion market cap. If it does that, you're going to get very rich. If it just goes to 100 million, that's still humongous returns, guys, humongous. So again, people are asking how to make $5,000 a day. Well, we've got $10,000 in and at 100x's, that's $1 million. We then stake that. The staking pays at 0.5% daily. So if you do the maths on that, that's $5,000 a day. Happy days. God bless you all. Take action now.